Good morning, children. Children, today we learn how to make bar graph and histogram in exercise 14.3, and in exercise 14.3 question number 1 to 5 in the syllabus, and related to these bar graph and histogram examples are also important. So first question in exercise 14.3, a survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the age of 15 to 44 in years worldwide found the following figure in percent. So this is given table, serial number, causes, female fertility rate, reproductive health conditions. Maximum it is 31.8. Reproductive health condition is 31.8. Neuropsychiatric condition 25.4. Injuries 12.4. Cardiovascular condition 4.3. Respiratory conditions 4.1 and other causes 22. Children, here first is reproductive health condition 31.8. Neuropsychiatric condition means it is related to the brain, that is 25.4. Injuries 12.4. Cardiovascular condition related to the heart, and respiratory condition related to the lungs, and other causes 22.0. Now represent the information given above graphically. We have to represent this information graphically. Children, read the question from the book. Which condition is the major cause of women ill health and death worldwide? Try to find out with the help of your teacher any two factors which play a major role in the cause of women ill health and death worldwide as a major cause. So children, first we have to represent it in the bar graph. Bar graph is represented on the graph. We will take one bar in one block. So here first is given reproductive health condition. It is 31.8. So maximum number is 31.8. So I have taken on the y-axis 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And causes are taken on the x-axis. So first cause is reproductive health condition. So I am taking this first block for the reproductive health condition. Reproductive health condition. So this is 31.8. 31.8 means we are taking one unit as 5. That means one line is representing half. So after 30 you have 30.5. Second line is 31. Third line is 31.5. And fourth line is 32. So it will come between third line and fourth line. So we are taking here third line and fourth line. So we are taking it here. This is 31.8. Make it join. So this is reproductive health condition, that is representing 31.8%. Second is neuropsychiatric condition. So neuropsychiatric condition we are taking neuropsychiatric NP. It is 25.4. So 25.4 lies between 25 and 26. It is more than 25 and 25.5. So we are taking this here. This is 25.4. Means it is below to the first line after 25. Then we have injuries. We are representing it by I, and it is 12.4. So 12.4 is below to 12.5. So we are taking here 10, 11, 12. So 12.4 is below to 12.5. So we are taking it here. This is 12.4%. So make it join. 12.4% is injuries. Then we have 4.3% is cardiovascular conditions. So here we have 4 and 4.3 we are taking above to it. So this is the part where we are taking 4.3%. This is cardiovascular conditions. Then we have respiratory conditions. Respiratory conditions means 4.1. So we are taking here after 4.1. So this is 4.1%. This is respiratory conditions. And other causes, this is 22. So 22 means fourth line after 20. So 20 is here. We are taking 21 and 22. So fourth line after 22, this is other cause, 22%. So children, this is the bar graph. In bar graph, we are representing each information with the individual bars. And now we have to answer what is the major cause of ill health and death worldwide. So major cause is here reproductive health conditions. So this is your second part answer. Major cause of ill health and death worldwide is reproductive health conditions. What is the reason for the reproductive health condition? That is your third part. So reason for reproductive health condition is the poor medical facility. Because in India, at every place we do not have the proper medical facilities, and lack of knowledge of proper treatment is also the major cause. So third part, your major cause are here poor medical facilities. You can take here poor medical facilities, poor medical facilities, and second cause you can take lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge in the medical ground for the proper treatment. So these are the major cause.